the gray in half. No turning back, no second path. Oars in the water, hearts made of iron. We are the storm, we are the siren that calls the brave and swallows the weak. Every shore we touch, we leave it bleak.